Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa lahat ng mga subscribers and viewers ng Gabriel Tisas Vlog. Mega love shout out. Yes guys, this is what is happening here sa aming shop. Daily activities ng mga boys. Yes guys, what you see is the checkered set and the rotor set. Rotor set is that one. This design is rotor single, and the 3-seater. And ito po ay kasalukuyan pang pinifinish. I mean, pinafine nila para sa varnish. This is what we call special Amara set. The special Amara set is with ukit at the back. Yan ang kanyang backrest, guys. Yan. So ganda. It's nice for your rest house. Yan. It is classic. Sabi nga nila, classic never goes out of style.